Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Facebook lagging or not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Facebook is not working or lagging on iPhone. So first solution, you have Facebook is lagging and not working on your iPhone. So first solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and mobile is restored, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, there second solution, you have updated iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting and then click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone is available, so you have must be update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then second solution is not working. Their third solution, you have manage iPhone storage. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So you have free up space from here. You have not for your work, so then you have delete app or photos or videos, so then you have free up space from here. Then you have second solution is not working, their third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have uh, disable background app refresh. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh. So then you have click on background app refresh. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off. Then last solution, you have a reset all setting on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode and then you have taken a passcode, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, only reset all setting on your iPhone. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset setting and 100% working of your problem. Then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.